What's up, y'all? So, one change that Uber should make in the app is they should make it so that if for some reason you're waiting on your passenger contacts you as a driver and they tell you they're on their way, they're 2 minutes away, they're 3 minutes away, they're 5 minutes away, whatever the case may be. When you go ahead and start the trip so that you can see where the destination is and be ready for your passenger when they come, sometimes you forget. I don't know if that's happened to you. It's happened to me several times where my passenger is within sight. I can see them coming to me. I will go ahead and start the trip. Then the passenger gets in the car and out of habit you go ahead and swipe again, accidentally thinking that you're starting the trip, but you're actually completing the trip before you leave, before you go anywhere. This has happened to me a few times where, yes, it was my mistake, but it's also happened to me a few times where just the touch of my finger when I went to go start the trip, for whatever reason on my touchscreen pressed the button twice, and so I started the trip and completed the trip in the same swipe. And right now the way Uber's app works is you can't go back. You can't like cancel completing the trip and just go back to the trip. So it causes a problem because in the app you're completing the trip before you even left your pickup point. I don't know if this has happened to you. If it has, and you think Uber should have a feature in the app where if you accidentally touch your phone and it swipes to complete the trip before you've completed the trip or during the trip or before you've even started the trip, like has happened to me several times. And it doesn't happen very often, but when it does happen, it's pretty annoying. If that's happened to you and you agree that you should be able to go back to the trip or cancel the trip completion, not the trip, but cancel the trip completion so that you can actually complete it when the trip is completed, go ahead and comment in the comment section below. Say, I agree, or yes, Uber should add that feature within the app. I have done over 8,000 and several hundred trips, and it doesn't happen often. I would say probably it's happened maybe 10 times or 20 times, but when it does happen, it's really annoying that you can't go back. You can't press a button that says cancel, not cancel the trip, but cancel the trip completion swipe, or go back. There should be a go back button there so that you're not completing a trip that hasn't started or that hasn't completed. Just like they have the feature confirm the completion of the trip, they should also allow you to go back. Because if you're not confirming, then what are you doing? If you're not confirming, that means either a button got pushed, your screen got swiped twice, or you made a mistake as a driver and you accidentally swiped it thinking you were starting a trip. You completed the trip. If you agree and this has happened to you, like I said, comment in the comment section below. And also, let me know what other features or options you think should be included in the Uber app for drivers.